Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So I will be playing a game called, well, it doesn't show here, but this game is called Black Cat Book Club. Yeah, the demo. Since there's no title here, so this game is about a magical library you can place on your desktop. Help the Black Cat study ancient tomes and learn spells in these cozy idle games. But yeah, everyone, since I'm right to the game, check out the demo. I'll put the link in the description below so you guys can check out the demo. But the game will be coming out soon at September. It was actually like 31 August, July was it was announced to be announced on July. But the game they changed it on as it's updating on their Steam page. It says that they will release the game on September 5 or 4. But it depends on your time zone. It might be coming out at September 3 or 3, 4 or 5. Yeah, 3, 4 or 5 September it will come out though. But yeah, do check out the demo if you really want to try out this game. As I mentioned again, it was originally planning to release on 31 July, but they changed it as it update on their Steam page that confirmed the date change is 4th September. So yeah, as I mentioned, depending on your time zone on Steam, it might be coming out 3rd September, 4 or 5 September. Yeah, 3, 4 or 5 September. But yeah, do check out the game everyone if you really want to try out the game. So without further ado, I already in the game. So yeah, let's go to the tutorial. My dearest family, I must depart for a few months. While I am gone, you are the guardian of our library. Deep within this archive lies powerful and secret spells. Continue your studies. Every book you finish strengthens the bond between you and the magic here. Just remember, some secrets are locked for a reason. Be ready before you seek them out. Yours, Alain the Grand. Meow. Zooming it out. Oh, what zoom you can pan around the library by bragging with left mouse button or middle mouse button. Meow. Click the shop to open it by spending knowledge. This one. Let's pick a book for a cat. Unlock the first one by spending knowledge. This one. Oh, occult study with occult studies for the Thomas. That's volume 1. Increase study amount by I don't know how many I did there, but it's increasing more. Oh, okay. Time to close that. You can see the content of the book as clips. 1. The cat will study them on its own by consuming focus. Okay. I think this is the focus and this is the XP. You can help by clicking a glimpse to study it. Upon deciphering the glimpse, you earn knowledge. However, over the glimpse translation to collect it and read a page of the book. Now, a book? You mean this one? Ah, that one. Oh, that's so cute. When focus is 0, the cat sleep for a while. Okay. Pop the bubble Z to replenish focus and regain dream. That's so adorable. You have pet the cat. Keep the focus going. Oh. Patty, I pet it by clicking its head though. Not your wig. Oh, so I need that stars thingy here to unlock the bookstore. The demo is locked here. Oh, this one I cannot go Baba in full version. Full version too. Oh, there's a cat picture. That's adorable. Alright. Till you sleep. You're awake again. This is the task. Read 3 books. Read 8 books. Read 15 books. Oh, this is a really good game for like if you're co-working or if you multitasking on doing some stuff. You can basically do this though while you're doing other things basically. This is ideal game style. Oh, what? I get to choose this? Oh. Even the color of the shelf? I got. Wow, that's so adorable. Even the change of the eyes though. Oh, is that a ball? Oh, that's so adorable. That's a bad. Oh, that's a window. Glasses. That's so adorable, but I cannot use it right now. I think it's only for full version, it seems. From the looks of it. Okay, I think that's the end of the tutorial. Time to buy that. I still locked, so I need to achieve the this one though. This game um has potential to make this increase the what do you call this fast forward a time that some game has it like pause button, play button, preview next button. This game has potential for that. The kitty is sleepy. Same, relatable. I need to sleep too. But yeah, while like it sleep, we can basically speed run the time, you know, just to get this. It might be like unfair, I think, because this is basically a posy game where if you speed run, that means you get to finish the game so faster. But yeah, just this game has potential to be relaxing though. If you're planning to play the game for that, yeah, check it out, guys, for this game. There's something here, but I cannot even. What this? Earn when the cat sleep. Earn when the cipher limits. It's still locked. Oh, I read this already. Ah, that means I need to read this. So I can have another. Ah, I see. Oh wait, I don't have enough knowledge. One more glimpse and next one. So I just have to increase the knowledge just to have more. Oh my god, increasing over time. Oh no, it doesn't. We're like 18, 24 and such. Will there be more than 100 pages? I'm curious. This one page is locked. So this is basically in order though. Then have to like yeah, this is basically in order that you need to read. Just have to click the columns and the words, the alphabet basically. It's asleep. How can I know he's asleep? this just the sound though. It Alice doesn't even sleep. What you mean? Let this cat sleep. Death. Let this cat sleep. Why is why is sleep with his eyes open? Ah, I can buy this. Holy 100. What is it? Oh, 200 pages. 100 pages. Oh, okay. Interesting. Oh, did I open that? Oh, I did open that. Oh, that means I can unlock it early too. One more glimpse. The sorcerer left some tasks. He earned a reward by completing them. Oh, spend your cabinet here to customize the library or your cards. eh, 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 big glasses. Ah, did I use that? Oh, I did use that. Oh, but never mind. I misclicked that because that's not the one I want to buy. Mm. Oh, it's asleep. So it's locked. Oh, I used the knowledge on a different bookshelf, not the book. Of course, I have to wait for it to. Yeah, I think I stopped there though. How I wish I could undo the bookshelf though. I was clicking that one though just now. Wait, should have enough for 10. Nope, it doesn't. Ah, wait, this one works. Okay, please increase. I thought I cannot increase the knowledge, but I can. I have no choice. I have to use that book, which is 18. Come on, trust. Get the historic guide to napping volume 1. Okay, that's kind of cute. Alright, so sleep. Sleep, little one. This is a big tower. Is a tower. Ah, this makes more sense because it's close its eyes, even though it doesn't close that much. But so it's so adorable. Ah, that's adorable. Please let this cat sleep. Where's your bed, kitty? This is 16. Okay, now she's almost done. Wait. Yeah, I need more knowledge. Oh, it was asleep. Okay, I didn't realize it was asleep. I need to zoom in to the cat so I can tell it's sleeping. Okay, buy another one. Yeah. Alright, okay, that's done. Alright, I end it here. So yeah, everyone. Excuse me. Do check out the game. If you like Black Cat Book Club, do check it out. As I mentioned, it was originally they're planning to release on 31 July, but because I saw on their Steam pages that they update the release date, they changed it to 4th September. Depending on your time zone, it might be released on 3, 4, or 5 September. But yeah, go check out the game, everyone, on Black Cat Book Club. Yeah, I'll put the link down description below so you guys can check out the game. So without further ado, thank you everyone for watching, and I see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.